The continued border controls and closures in some member states must end now. The Court of Justice has now indisputably established that what we knew all along, that continuous border controls and closures are illegal. The latest extension of border controls by France until April 23rd, arguing new terrorist threats, makes a mockery of the Union's law and the Court. Worse, by keeping controls and blocking crossing points in Catalonia, France is endangering the livelihood and personal rights of thousands of Catalans north and south of the border. 1 month ago, I stood here asking that the border at Banyuls be open, but the rocks blocking the road are still there. France shows no intention of changing course. Now I ask you, Commissioner, do act. I ask you to uphold a cornerstone principle of this Union and protect the freedoms of European citizens. Make France open the borders now. Thank you very much.